Okay, so for this one, we're going to review compound interest. So we have the formula here. A equals P parentheses 1 plus R raised to the T power. So remember, A represents the amount in the account. It's the total balance. So this formula already figures out the total balance in the account. And then PR and T mean the same thing as they did in the simple interest formula. P is the principal, that's what you start with. R is the percent, that's the rate you're earning money. And T is the time in years. Now, we're going to do this just with a calculator, so I'm going to use a percent key. If you don't do that, then you do need to turn that percent to a decimal. And remember, the time has to be in years. So if they give you months, you have to convert that into what fractional part of a year is it. Okay, so let's go see how to do this. So here's an example. Mr. Burns invested $500 in an account, earning 2.5% interest, and it's compounded annually. That's how I know it's compound interest. It says compounded annually. He's not making any additional deposits or withdrawals. So what is the account balance after 6 years? So he just takes $500, puts it in this account. 6 years later, he comes back to take it out, and he wants to know how much money he's going to have. All right, so here we go. So A is what we're trying to figure out. P is my principal. He invested. That's what I started with. That's P. Percent. That's R. R has the percent after it. And we have time, and it's already in years, so yay for that. So $500. Oops. Yes, times 1 plus rate 2.5, and I'm going to use my calculator, which has a percent key. And then I'm taking that to the 6th power. Okay, so I just brought up Google. I just Googled calculator. I'm using that one. So I'm typing 500 parenthesis 1 plus 2.5% key and my parenthesis. And then I'm finding this little button that says X to the Y power. So X is my base number, Y is my exponent. Pressing that so I get an exponent. Typing the number 6, hitting equals, and $579 and 0.846, and it keeps going. So this is something that I've noticed across the board with really everybody is rounding. So I'm going to round that here. In America, we use hundredths place for money. 6 is bigger than 5, so that's going to be 0.85. So $579.85. That is the account balance.